Good morning, sir. I'm here to discuss about the IMO intact stability criteria, a comprehensive overview. This presentation provides a detailed exploration of the IMO intact stability criteria as outlined in the IS code. These standards are crucial for ensuring the safety and efficiency of maritime transport by minimizing the risk of capsizing. We will delve into the key impacts of these criteria, their impact on ship design and construction, and their signific- significance for overall maritime safety and environmental protection. This overview is designed for maritime professionals, ship designers, and naval architects seeking a comprehensive understanding of intact stability requirements. Writing lever curve, the primary stability measure. GZ curve importance, the writing lever curve or GZ curve is paramount in assessing ship's intact stability. It represents the vessel's ability to return to an upright position after being jiheld over by external force such as wind or waves. The IMO mandates a minimum area under the GC curve up to specific heel angles. Minimum area requirements. Typically, the IMO requires the minimum area under the GC curve up to 30 degrees to and 40 degrees heel angles. This ensures the ship's processes sufficient rating moment to recover from heel position and prevent capsizing. These parameters directly affect the design considerations and operational factors of maritime vessels. Design consideration for intact stability. One is hull geometry of optimization, hull geometry including braid, draft, and center of gravity location significantly impacts stability. Designers must optimize these factors to achieve adequate stability, ensuring the ship can withstand various loading conditions and sea states. 2. Free surface effect mitigation. Liquid cargo or ballast in tanks can drastically reduce stability due to the free surface effect. Design must account for this through careful tank arrangements and level indicators. Internal baffles can minimize the impact of liquid movement, enhancing overall safety. Number 3, builds kills or 4, enhance stability. Build skills are appendages that dampen rolling motions and enhance stability. These are critical components in reducing the severity of ship movements in rough sea, contributing to safer and more comfortable voyage. Operational factors affecting stability, loading limitation, proper cargo loading and ballast management are vital for maintaining stability within prescribed parameters. Exceeding weight limits or improper weight distribution can compromise a ship's ability to remain stable, particularly in adverse conditions. weather conditions. Shipmasters must account for weather conditions, adjusting course and speed to avoid excessive healing moment. Anticipating and responding to changing weather patterns is essential for maintaining stability and preventing dangerous situations. Stabi- Stability information availability. Ships must have readily available stability information, including the GC curve, to facilitate informed decision making during operations. Easy access to this data ensure crew member can quickly assess and responding to changing conditions, enhancing safety. And significant for safe maritime transportation. Reduce capsizing risk, enforcing strict stability criteria, minimize the risk of ships capsizing in adverse weather conditions, enhancing safety for crew and passengers. Compliance with IMO standards ensures vessels can withstand challenging sea states, protecting lives and cargo. Operational Operational flexibility. Proper stability management allows ships to operate efficiently within their design parameter, optimizing cargo capacity and route planning. This flexibility ensures vessels can adapt to very varying operational demands while maintaining safety and efficiency. Birthdays, environmental protection, minimizing the risk of accident due to instability helps protect the marine environment from potential oil spills. Stable ships are less likely to encounter accidents that could lead to environmental disasters, preserving fragile marine ecosystems. The The importance of ongoing compliance and monitoring. Regular inspections and audits are crucial for verifying ongoing compliance with IMO intact stability criteria. These assessments ensure that vessels continue to meet the required standards throughout their operational life. Crew training, dedicate training for ships ship crews on stability management and emergency response is essential. Well trained profession professional can effectively monitor and maintain stability, responding appropriately to changing condition and preventing accident. Technological advancements. Embracing technological advancements in stability monitoring and prediction system can further enhance safety. Modern systems provide real-time data and predictive analysis, enabling proactive management and minimizing risk. Key takeaways and next steps. The IMO intact stability criteria are fundamental for ensuring maritime safety, operational efficiency, and environmental protection. Compliance requires a holistic approach integrating design, consideration operational and factors and ongoing monitoring. For maritime professionals, it is essential to stay informed about the latest update to the IS code and according to the best possibility.